Right. So first up, we start our servers. I already have mine running, so all I have to do is just go on them. So first I go on server, and in server we go into network. We open network sharing center, then change adapter settings, and click local area network. Then go into properties to edit properties. I have disabled IPv6 and have only IPv4 enabled. We go into properties in IPv4 and we change it from turning address automatically to use the following address, and you enter 192.168.0.1, and then you have a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Then the preferred DNS will be the same as the IP address, and after you have entered all these, you can click OK. Now we go into advanced sharing settings, and you need to disable file and sharing and have everything else enabled. And we also disable password protected sharing. We do this for both public and home network. Right. And click Save Changes. And then we now go into Computer, then System Properties, and we look for computer name, and we are going to change this, and we can enter any computer name we wish. I have server 08 and we want root group all caps. I'm not going to change this, so I will leave it just so, but if you want to change these things, you can change them. But pay attention to the root group name that you have set. Next, we go into our next OS, which will be, Windows 8 Me, and then we go through the same steps as we went in with Server 2008. We go into Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings, then we go into Properties. Disable IPv6, enable IPv4 properties, and for this one we use an IP address of 192.168.0.2 because we don't want it to collide with the server. Subnet mask will be the same thing as the subnet mask for all of them, 255.255.255.0, and the default gateway will be the same IP address as the server, which is 192.168.0.1, and the DNS will be the same as the server's IP address as well. And click OK. Click Close. Then we go back into Change Advanced Sharing Settings, and we have everything enabled except printer sharing and password sharing. Save all the changes. Now we go to change the computer name. Into computer system properties. By computer name you will see change that names. Go like that. Then we click change. Computer name. I have set mine as Windows 7. I will leave it as that. And then the boot group, all caps, boot group. The same thing as what we had in the setup. And just click OK. Save your changes. Now I go into XP to set up XP, the network address. So what we do is we go into start, then we go into control panel, network and internet connections, network connection. We right click on local area connection, go into properties. You will not see IPv4 or anything here. You just go into Internet Protocol, which is IPv4. With XP, they had not created IPv6 yet, so you will only see just Internet Protocol and then go into Protocol. Properties. Now we use the following IP address, click that, and then enter 192.168.0.3. Each client must have their own number, and the server will have its own specific number which we will be using each gateway and preferred DNS server. The subnet mask will be the same in all of them. And click OK. Right. Now from here I can go into my computer and right click, go properties, computer name, and click change. I'll set my computer name as Windows XP, and the root group, we'll have to manually set the root group as all caps root group, which is the same as which we have in all the systems. Then we'll click OK, and then OK. All the computers have been linked together. So what you can do is you can enter my network places in XP, and you will see all the computers that were linked. To show that all computers are working and linked properly, we are going to create a folder and share it to all the computers. So what I want to do is I want to create a folder, new folder. We'll rename this folder, I will name it everything, everyone, and then we right click, properties, and then we go into sharing, and then click share. Here we type in everyone, and then add. I will change the permission level to read alright. Then I will click share. Here you will see they have asked for you to turn on network discovery and file sharing. So I will click yes because I want this file to be shared. Right, so now I have created a folder with everyone. I'm going to this folder and create a text document. Right, so I have created a text document and named it file. Now let's go into the other systems and see if it has showed up. First I'm going on Windows 7 and I will open Explorer, then we go into Network. Right. As you can see, we have a silver ray. It took a while to refresh, so sorry about that. We're going to silver 08. As you can see, it has a folder for everyone. And then our basic public folders. First, now we're going to everyone, and you can see the file that we have. Let's open this file and edit it. Now we have saved the document. Now let's go into XP. I'm going to the folder everyone. We'll open the file, and you can see what we just edited has come. Let's add a number. And now we see the document. Let's go back into the server and see if the document has been edited. There you can see all the parameters were linked and files will be shared, are being shared and able to be edited. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.